Here is how you achieve a crosshair cell highlighting effect like this, where both row and column is highlighted where the cell is selected. So first of all, let's select the whole dataset by pressing Ctrl A, and after that, go Home, Style, Conditional Formatting, New Rule. Over here, you'll be using Use Formula, and this is the formula you'll be using today. Once you enter the formula, click on Format. Make sure you're on the Fill tab, and let's say I'm going to select blue, and click OK, and OK one more time. You can see now your row is highlighted, but there's no animation quite yet. So next thing we're going to do is to set up the highlight for the column. Ctrl A to select your whole dataset again, if it's not selected. Home, Style, Conditional Formatting, New Rule one more time, Use Formula, and this is the formula you'll be using. Once you enter that formula, click on Format, make sure you're on a Fill tab again. I'm going to use the same color, blue, and click on OK, and OK one more time. As you can see, column is highlighted right now, but there's again no animation. Let's introduce animation by right clicking on the sheet and click View Code. In this View Code, you're going to select Worksheet from the pull down menu and enter the following command: target.calculate. Once that's done, press Ctrl S to save your VBA code and close your VBA editor. Now, if you go to click anywhere on the cell, you can see that the crosshair will follow wherever you go.